Unless you want to do like an art stream. I could do some art. What's up? What's going on? What am I doing? What do the boys want? Whatever the boys want, the boys will get. The boys demand something of me, they will get it. Let's see what my friend is doing. My friend Cron number 6. Look at fucking Jimmy right there. Look at Jimmy. I think I'm pretty boring right now, so he might as well take over, be entertaining for our fellow boys. I already feel bad enough that you guys subscribed. Like idiots. Why do you want to fucking raid? Drake. I hear a fucking train. Why hear a train, dude? Is there a fucking train coming? Dude, you gotta put the spaces, man. Alright, here, let me check something. Let me see. Ignore any sounds. How many people are in here? 10? 10 people? 10 big people? It's kind of a boring raid. 10 people. There's only probably like 5 people actually here. Yeah, 14's more than 10 though. And Kron's cooler than me. I could do some art. I don't know. We can do art or we can do a raid. Whichever you guys want more. Art? Should we do some fucking art? Do I have... I just put creatine instead of creative. I'm like brain dead. Anyway. I want to do some art instead, I guess. Hell yeah, brother. I'm artistic, dude. Hell yeah. And my OBS is crashed. Not that. It's right fucking there. It's fine. Fuckers, dude. Fuck off, Scofies. If you want to, I'll host you. It'll probably be better than this, whatever I'm doing. Holy fuck. Oh my god. It's storming out there. I didn't even realize that. I just nearly shat my pants. That was scary. Oh my god. That scared my fucking ass off. It sounded like there was someone in my window, but it's just storming. I don't want to die. Alright, dude. Let's do some fucking epic art. What should I do? What am I doing? We gotta get a good train going, maybe. But I wish I could have more than one tier 1 emote, because then I'd have so many good tier 1 emotes. We should do one of those cool. Hell yeah, dude. I love Jimmy getting hit by the fucking train. That's part of the lore. Just get a reference image. What kind of train do you think Jimmy got hit by? Like a steam engine? Or a big boy? I think he'd get hit by one of these big boys. Let me get one of these. Jimmy wouldn't get taken out by no fucking pussy train. You know? It'd have to be a large train like that. Let's go. This guy may kill Jimmy, you know. This guy might fuck Jimmy up. I don't know about anything else really hurting Jimmy. You know. Jimmy's a big boy. He doesn't just get killed. So I mean. Drawing shit with my ultimate skills. See, that's my new title. Do you hear a train coming, or do you see a train coming? Because it's right there. I'm about to draw it. This is totally me drawing it. I'm not tracing it, dude. This is just a reference image. I'd never steal art. What are you talking about? I swear to God, why is it storming so badly out there? That's scary. I hear a fucking train coming, dude? I swear I can hear a train coming, I'm not gonna lie. Anyone else hear a fucking train? Or is that just the lightning outside? What the fuck? Alright, this is gonna suck. I can already tell this sucks. Fuck. Yeah, Kron, I guess. I mean... Okay. I'm not... Maybe if I find a game to play. Kron, I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. Wow, so Quiet wants me to end my stream because you want to see the stream? Wow. He doesn't like me? Fuck. I guess I'll just end the stream permanently. Oh, dude. You're such an asshole. Bullying me? Yeah, can someone ban Quiet Fallout, please? Do I hear a train coming? This is about to hit your fucking dumbass. I was about to play more Jerry Rice's Dogfoot.